Hello, SakaFed. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Mediterranean style pasta salad. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. Now let's get cooking. The ingredients I'm going to use will be in the description bar below. First thing I'm going to do is cook my pasta. Now I have this really nice colorful pasta. If you can't find something so colorful, just use your regular bow tie pasta, or sometimes you get the 3-color ones in the supermarket. I have some zucchini, some tomatoes, red onions. As I go along, guys, I'm going to show you the other ingredients that I'm going to use. Let's get going, and I'm going to start cooking this. And this is a very quick recipe, so I like to do things that are quick and I don't have to spend a lot of time cooking every day. While this is on, I'm waiting for it to boil. I'm also going to put some water on so I can just blanch my zucchini. I don't want to cook them, I just want to drop them in the hot water and then give them a cold rinse right after. So now the water for the zucchini is boiling. I'm just going to add 1 cup. Just drop it in there and I'm going to let it just cook for about 30 seconds. The reason I'm doing it like this, guys, is because I still want a little crunch on the zucchini. I'm going to taste a little piece and see. That's good. It's fine. So about 30 seconds. I'm going to put it here. And then I'm just going to run some cold water over it. Now I could put it with some ice cubes in a bowl of cold water, but no, this is fine. Just cold water right over it, so that stops the cooking process and it's gonna stay crunchy, and it's also gonna keep the color. That's it. I'm just gonna put that in a bowl and put it aside until I'm ready for it. And I'm just gonna put the pasta in there and I'm gonna let that cook for about 7 minutes. So my pasta is ready. They taste so good. I'm just gonna drain them out and I'm gonna run some cold water on this. And just so it's not starchy. All right, that's it. Look how pretty that is, guys. This is gonna look so good. I'm gonna add my zucchini. Now, if you have yellow zucchini, it's really nice in there. It gives it so much color, but right now they're very hard to find. Now we're gonna put some onions in there, red onions. And I'm not gonna put too much because I'm not making a lot. If you have company and you want to do this maybe for a picnic, you know, you can do it ahead of time. So what I'm doing is just going to take these little tomatoes and I'm going to slice them, and I'm using different colors. So just going to make it so pretty. And you know, guys, with these little tomatoes, I used to just buy them and just keep them in the fridge and take from it. And then a lot of times they go bad. So what I do now, I find that works really good, is when I get them, I wash them with a little, soak them in a little vinegar, wash them really well, and then I just dry them on paper towel and keep them in the fridge. So, you know, you can just pop it in your mouth if you want to eat a couple, or when you need it. It's, I find I use them up more when I do that, okay? So, olives. These are the Kalamata, and I buy them like this. They're already sliced, so I don't have to cut them. And you just add as much as you like. I love olives, but I'm not going to overdo it. So just enough to give it that little salty taste. I'm going to put some feta in there, and I already crumble it up. Now, guys, I wanted parsley. Usually I use parsley in this, but I was in such a hurry, I just grabbed the thing and then I got home and it's like cilantro. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. So for my dressing, I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So we have our 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. 3 parts of olive oil to 1 part of vinegar. I'm gonna add Mediterranean seasoning. You can use Italian seasoning. So we're gonna put some black pepper in there. about half a teaspoon. Then let's mix it and see what it tastes like. If we need some salt, we're going to add the salt after. Again, I have my seasoned salt, and I'm just going to mix it up. Now I'm going to just drizzle it, and we're going to mix. I'm going to cover it and leave it in the fridge. I'm not going to use it till tomorrow, so it's going to just stay there, and everything is going to come together really nice. So tomorrow it's going to be so delicious, guys. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And here you have it, guys, our delicious Mediterranean style pasta salad. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have yourself a great day and God bless.